This tutorial video shows you how to import a shapefile. I've opened a new model, in this case it's an empty model, and I go to the File Import option. You see several options. You can import a complete iNoise project in your currently opened project. That means that all the models from the other iNoise project will be imported into your own project. The other options are options to import items into your currently opened model. You've got several options: import shapefile, import mapinfo file, import text file, import get file, geomodel file, and import QSI. The geomodel file is a file format developed by DGMR to exchange item data between all the geo softwares that DGMR has developed. So that means iNoise, Predictor, GeoMilieu, GeoAir, GeoStacks. There are several geo software for environmental modeling that DGMR has developed. So this is a nice option to exchange data between those type of programs. The QSI format is a format, standardized quality assured interface to exchange data between software that supports the QSI format. And it could be Predictor, it could be Ketna, IMI, Soundplan, iNoise, those type of softwares. In this case, I'm going to use the import shapefile option. So I click on shapefile and I click on the file that I want to import. In this case, bld_rnm.shape. I open the file, and the next step I need to do is to select the item type that I want to create out of the file. So I've selected buildings, and then on the right side I see the item fields needed in iNoise for buildings and the file fields offered by the shapefile. And to look at those file fields, I need to click on this small button, and then you see the fields offered by the shapefile. In this case, area, parameter, BLD, BLD_ID, code top, and relative elevation. So now you as the user need to decide what is a useful match. And in this case, the height field for the item building can be filled with the relative height out of the shapefile. That is a sensible, meaningful match. So these linking, they are called matching. You can store your settings. Click on the save and say, well, this is my import settings. Oh. That means you can reuse these settings on a later time. So now I can click on the OK button, and now the items are imported according to your settings. And if I check, and there are 13,192 buildings. So I zoom in and I double click on a building, and I see, yes, there's a height 16.02 meters. And if I go to the view 3D view, you see your model. It's nicely imported with all the heights attached to the shapefile. Okay, thank you for your attention.